One sunny afternoon, Monique, Davis, and Kiki were walking home from school when they heard a cheerful bell jingling round the corner. Ding ding went the sound, and Kiki nearly bounced right out of her shoes. "Ice cream!" she cried, spotting a bright cart painted with swirls of red, yellow, and blue. Behind it stood a vendor with twinkling eyes and a hat like a giant cherry on top. "Welcome, little explorers," said the vendor. "Today is Tiny Joy's ice cream day." "Tiny Joy's?" asked Davis, peering at the menu. "Yes," said the vendor with a smile. "Sometimes the smallest things can bring the biggest happiness." Monique leaned closer. "Even a scoop of ice cream?" "Especially a scoop of ice cream," said the vendor. "But there is a challenge too." The three friends listened carefully, suddenly very serious. "Each of you must choose a flavor and tell me why it makes your heart feel bright." Monique went first. She chose chocolate. "Chocolate reminds me of helping Mum bake cakes," she said. "It is rich and warm, like a cozy afternoon at home." The vendor nodded. "A lovely tiny joy." Davis chose vanilla. "It is simple," he said, "but simple things can be the best. It makes me feel calm, like sitting under a tree on a quiet day." "Very wise," said the vendor. Kiki clapped her hands and pointed to strawberry. "It tastes like summer picnics and laughing with friends," she said. "And it is pink, which makes me smile before I even take a bite." The vendor laughed softly. "What a sweet memory." Then came the surprise round, and the cart began to sparkle as if it had swallowed a rainbow. Cookies and cream appeared first, with crunchy bits tucked into soft snow-white swirls. "Crunch and cream together," said Davis, amazed. "That is double joy." Next came mint chocolate chip, cool as a breeze through open windows. "It feels like a holiday for my tongue," Monique whispered. Then lemon, bright and tangy, made Kiki giggle and scrunch her nose. "It wakes me up like sunshine shouting good morning," she said. Banana followed, smooth and golden, and Davis declared it tasted like a happy smoothie in a cone. At last, rainbow sherbet spun into the lineup, glowing with colors so cheerful they nearly sang. All three friends gasped. "It looks like a rainbow you can eat," they said together. The vendor folded his hands. "Now do you understand?" Monique looked at her friends. "Tiny joys are bigger when we share them." Davis nodded. "And when something is simple, it can still be special." Kiki grinned. "And trying something new can be exciting." So the friends sat on the pavement beside the cart, laughing and trading tiny spoonfuls. Monique tasted strawberry and smiled. Davis sampled chocolate and closed his eyes in delight. Kiki tried vanilla and found, to her surprise, that gentle things could make her happiest of all. The vendor watched them with a kindly smile. "Remember," he said, "tiny joys are everywhere, waiting to be noticed." The sun dipped lower, the bell jingled again, and the three children walked home with sticky hands and happy hearts, carrying a very important secret. Sometimes the smallest scoop can hold the biggest smile. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.